very significant policy shift. The National Testing Agency will stop conducting recruitment exams starting 2025. The body will concentrate solely on higher education entrance tests. This change comes after controversy surrounding the exam's integrity. Let's just listen into what Dharmendra Pradhan had to say.
NTA की रिफॉर्म के लिए एक हाई लेवल कमेटी बनी थी. उस कमेटी की रिपोर्ट आ गई है. उसको एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट की तहत सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी हमने उसको दे दिया है.
And we have my colleague Tanushka joining us to get us more on this. Tanushka, other changes can be expected. Of course, this comes on the heel of the alleged leak of medical entrance NEET exams and a series of cancellations that followed.
Right, exactly. Divya, the National Testing Agency report has come into the public domain. Remember, this happened right after the NEET undergraduate paper exam leak scam and also the cancellations of exams thereafter. What we are understanding from this extensive report and what we know from the Education Ministry and the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan himself is that the NTA will now be conducting exams only of that of higher education, which means exams of the JEE mains, advance, the NEET examinations, the UGC NET examination and the CUET examinations. All of these examinations will now come under the purview of the National Testing Agency. And the service entrance examinations or the recruitment examinations from now on will not come under the purview of the NTA. This NTA report, which was, the recommendations have been made by a high-level committee that was chaired by former ISRO chief, Professor K. Radhakrishnan. The suggestions that have been made, there are 101 recommendations that have been made, also consist of that, there will be very specific NTA-based centers that will be formed, exam centers, which will be centralized. As in now, these centers will be the designated centers to hold such competitive exams. Now, the other thing that has also been highlighted is that the JEE exams will be continue to be conducted in the computer-based test mode, the CBT mode, and the decision on the methodology of the NEET examinations is yet to be decided, as that comes under the purview of the Health Ministry. So the Health Ministry will take a final call upon whether the NEET examinations will continue happening in an OMR, which is the paper and pen mode, or on CBT mode. The third important information that we have is that the NEET examination may, the possible viable option is to have multiple tests in the NEET examination. This is what the report as well states, and further decisions will be taken on this, weighing the pros and cons of the same. So what we also know is that, these Kendra Vidyalayas, these Jan Navodaya Vidyalayas will now be made the centralized test centers for these tests, which is in view of these cyber crimes or paper leaks that have happened with respect to these very important nationwide examinations. And also these exam centers will now be in terms of, really permanent. They'll be made permanent in this manner. And what we are also understanding from the NTA report is that these exam centers will, for NEET, UG, for CUET, for JEE mains in advance, they will be understood. However, the main challenge still remains, which has also been acknowledged by the Union Minister for Education, is that of cyber crime. They also acknowledged the fact that, police teams were also involved in these recommendations and suggestions, so as to prevent a further such scam or paper leak to happen. So cyber crime still remains, a top priority for the Education Ministry to tackle in these examinations. Therefore, these exam centers are going to be made centralized. And also, what we are understanding at this point is that these examinations, therefore, will be held in a centralized manner to have more sort of transparency and to ensure sanctity of these exams.